extreme weather right here. We are actually looking at sometimes there's gonna be a lot of rain going on over time. But there's gonna be much more than that. You can see to just look at it like NAM model show you much better details of that situation. And also there's a chance for snow in the Canada region, but since slowly weakening since then. And also there's gonna be a lot of hurricane activity, but much more concern. Much changing is the blowout temperature in a cooler air phenomenon is just getting there, but still slowly got it in. When the temperature drop by a little bit, but it's a lot. With the cooler air mass headed towards us, with the temperature changing. Better way to see like the 500 millibars away. Because at that temperature, going to get there very soon. But this is just, let me get. I was trying to say there will be eventually a cooler air on 22nd will appear, and that this is going to be last for a really very long time. And till then the temperature will drop. Agrees. But it's just going to be very cold temperature, with a lot of high pressure will kick in some areas, and also there's going to be a lot of difference between with a very cold air, because there's low pressure forming with a below average temperature as like 20 degrees below average temperature Fahrenheit. Then Merrill going to get very cold air falling in. There's also there's gonna be the better way to see the dry air mass. On that front side, the moist air still going to kick it in on the 22nd, and then will gonna be a lot of flooding in Maryland and lots of Northeast, and gonna be behind it will be a big dry ball of air circling it over time. So on over here to gain it. Show you what it is on that air ball. There's still gonna be cold. That ball on the 23rd will stick on the round Great Lakes, then move northward with that colder air. Back to the flooding event, still going to get a little bit worse. But how much flooding will going again? Here, one more time, show you how much that cold air will be there, then headed towards the north there, then headed towards upward, like just gonna be a big time feeding with this colder air, this massive vortex. On that colder air moving upwards, some models bring this way, but the other models show you just going this way. Because the warm air on the west to bring cold air into the plains and spread to northeast. We need to begin to be the nearest to be the show how much the precipitation it is up there. Here it is. The could be the precipitation totals on the tomorrow, but we can do on like that, and then going to get worse on the 23rd, and then on the 23rd it's going to be very bad, and then it's going to go, then it's going to be once, and then going to be lots of flooding. Then we need to go back to the hurricane, because the gonna be a low pressure slowly forming on venture is on the 24th it start to form, and then will be on a tropical storm on the 26th, then will be a hurricane on the 28th, then it's going maybe straight towards there. But there's other models like GF, but it shows something different. It shows it's just going to move upwards. Like the current shows moving upwards, but it's going to get, we don't know how strong will going to pull it. There's a lot of other reason why, but more important is when there's more of those lines are going to get to darken. There's going to be keep eye on it, like on the GFS shows. There are two. Only other reason, because so far there's only a couple there forming on the 24th, and it's just moving upwards. That will keep on it for tomorrow, and also get more merchandise outwards, and maybe more stores pop up to you guys to have make a good merch store. Also, we also need to keep an eye on it in case it will happen again, and that will be very strong hurricane. It could be a Category 3 or a Category 4 hurricane. It's gonna be very strong, and also could be a violent, because this trail of the low pressures forming upwards, but we don't know how it's different. Well, we're going to take that low pressure with the warm air, yeah, and the temperature mast.